Hi, in this video, we are going to show you how to use Visual Studio C# Windows platform to do some calculation, arithmetic calculation, getting user input from the window text box and do some calculation and should put it back to the Windows again. So let's get some control. So we need some label. So there's one label and a couple of labels. And then we need text box, couple of text box getting the number from the user. And then we need another button to show the calculation, another box, another text box, show the calculation. And we can have a button here to show the calculation, or just calculate button. Calculate button. Okay. So let's put some label, put some name here. So level 1, we're gonna put enter a number. And one moved, sorry about this. It'll be here. And level 2, we're gonna have enter second. Yes, second number. And then we change the name of the button. Button name should be calculate. Calculate button. And I should have a couple more buttons. One is for clear the boxes. Okay, let's clear the box. And another one for exit. One for exit. Okay. So our design is done. Now we're going to work on this button. So for exit, you double click it and put this close, then parenthesis, semicolon. This will close the form, and then we need to work on the calculate button. So what I'm going to do, we're going to get the number from the user, from text box 1 basically. Text box 1, so we need to declare some variable. Let's say integer, not integer, let's declare double number 1 equals text box 1 dot text, and then we declare another variable double again. Number 2, you should not have a space between this. Number 2 equal to text box 2, whatever the user input in text box 2, we need that text, and then do that, and then we need to put this, so we need to calculate something. So let's say we want to add, so we're going to put some equal to, we want to declare another variable, so double total. So now the total equal to should be number 1 plus number 2. And when we display this total to the text box 3, so the text box 3 dot text equal to total. And now you'll see that when you declare double and text box 1, whatever user typed in, that will be a basically a text. So not a number, not a double. So we need to use .parse method to convert this into a number or double. Let's say in this case we put double, so we can do this double. We can use this casting. Actually, we use double dot parse method. Double dot parse method. Okay, and then I put parenthesis, and this will get the text. I think the spelling mistake here. Okay, so and then this one we're going to convert to double as well. And to convert to double as well, double dot parse. Use parse method. I put a parenthesis here, and then this will get the number. Whatever you typed in, they take it as a number, and then put in the number 1 at number 2, and then we can add them up. But then when you want to display it in text box 3, you need to convert back to string again. So we use toString method to do that. So this will work. Now go back to the form and run it. Run the code, the application basically. So if we run it, it should give us a, it's still working. Yeah, so this is the screen where you get the results. So enter a number. Let's say we enter 35. There's another number, maybe 45, and then calculate, just adding up the total 80, and then we exit. Now, to see the results, so if we do more calculation, more addition, then we need to clear this box. So we go double click this and then write some code like text box 1 dot text equals double quote, nothing in it. That will clear the box. And then same thing, text box 2 dot text equals double quote, nothing in it, semicolon, and text box 3 we use text equals double quote, nothing in it. So this will clear the box. So let's run it, and it's building the application. Now see the window here. So enter a number. So number 25, 35, and then we calculate 60. We clear this. And I can put another something not right. So the entire number, the first number, is not clearing the space. So why not? So let's look at that. Why is not the code is not working for the text box 1 should be not 2. I have got it twice. So now it should work. Text box 1, text box 2, clear that. Let's go back to design. I think design is kind of not very good. So you can make it bigger box, a little bit bigger. And yeah, this box we can make it a little bit bigger. And then it's more visible. And you can make this box a little bit bigger. Maybe consistent with the other box. Yeah. So now it looks a little nicer. Now run this program. Just hit the green arrow and then type in a number, any number, calculate. So we currently doing addition, so just calculate and then clear it. And correct any number you want. Your number, calculate, clear it, exit the form. So you can see that this is how we can use the text box to get the input from the user and do whatever mathematical operation we want to do and display it in the another text box. And if we follow this code, we use this double dot pers. Why? Because the text box, whatever you type, it takes that as a text, as a string. So in order to do the calculation, we need to convert back to a number. So that's why we declare a double as a number one as a double type. The double can hold larger number. So we use double and double dot pers, and then we put in the parentheses, we put this text box one dot text, whatever the user typed in. So we convert to double, and then we can do this addition, multiplication, whatever mathematical operation we want to do. Without converting that, we cannot do it. So there are several ways you can convert. You can use dot pers, you can use try pers method. We'll look at that in the future video. And you can use twist string method to convert to a string. And you can use a convert function to convert this to one data type to another data type. So after the calculation, you see this last box, the text box 3.text equal to total, but total will not work if we don't convert back to a string. Because currently, number one and number two in the total, we're getting as a number, not as a string. So the text box only can display string information, no numbers. Whatever you type in, it gets as a string, and also it displays as a string as well. So you need to do this conversion to get this working. So I think it's clear for you to how to do this arithmetic operation. And calculation wise, like you can have any operation here and it will work. So we put a multiplication. Now let's run that. Let's run that. And let's say we put 24 and then we put 5, calculate, and 120. Clear. So it works nicely. So I hope you understand the how to use this form and get user input through this text box and do mathematical calculation. And in the future lecture, we'll do some more mathematical operation and we'll learn more complicated calculation as well. So for now, I'll finish here, stop here, and hope to see you in the next video.